Discover the power of cleanliness with the EUREKA Robotic Vacuum Cleaner. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the outstanding features that make this robotic vacuum cleaner a must-have for every home. From advanced navigation systems to powerful suction capabilities, learn how the EUREKA Robotic Vacuum Cleaner can revolutionize your cleaning routine. With its high-performance motor, the EUREKA Robotic Vacuum Cleaner provides powerful suction to effectively clean various floor types, from carpets to hardwood. Equipped with precise LiDAR sensors, the JetBot maps your home and avoids obstacles with ease, ensuring every corner gets cleaned. When the battery runs low, the EUREKA vacuum automatically returns to its charging dock, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning session. Multi-surface cleaning. Designed to clean various floor types, the EUREKA vacuum adapts to different surfaces for a comprehensive clean throughout your home. Wi-Fi connectivity and app control. Connect the EUREKA vacuum to your home Wi-Fi and control it from anywhere using the dedicated app, allowing you to schedule and monitor cleaning sessions with ease. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, the EUREKA vacuum responds to your voice commands, making cleaning as simple as saying "Start cleaning." And there you have it. 8 incredible features of the EUREKA Robotic Vacuum Cleaner that make it a game-changer for home cleaning. Product link in the video description. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more smart videos.